4 класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Намерение на ближайшее будущее. Страница 124-125. English. Spotlight for homework. Be going to. Page number 124-125. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 124. 124. Read the rule. What are you going to do this summer? I'm going to travel to Portugal. Are you going to make a sandcastle? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Exercise number 1. What are you and your family going to do this Sunday? Tell the class. Be going to. Намерение на ближайшее будущее. What are you going to do this summer? I am going to travel to Portugal. Are you going to make a sandcastle? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Exercise number 1. Что ты и твоя семья собираетесь делать в это воскресенье? Расскажи классу. The answer. I'm going to clean my room. My mom is going to play tennis. My dad is going to watch video. My big sister is going to visit her friend. My little sister is going to paint a picture. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Talk with your friend. Поговори со своим одноклассником. The answer. Are you going to watch video this evening? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is your friend going to play tennis after school? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Are your parents going to visit their friends on Saturday? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Is your grandma going to make a cake on Sunday? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Are your grandparents going to walk in the garden at the weekend? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Look, ask and answer. Go camping. Go to the mountains. Go to the seaside. Go to the lake. Посмотрите, задайте вопрос и ответьте. The answer. What is Wendy going to do on holiday? She's going to go camping. What are Ralph and Angela going to do on holiday? They're going to go to the mountains. What is Jake going to do on holiday? He's going to go to the seaside. What is Carla going to do on holiday? She's going to go to the lake. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 125. Listen and repeat. Слушайте и повторяйте. Listen. Somebody's knocking on the door. Who's there? It's your brother Joy. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. Read the words and name the silent letter. Прочитайте слова и назовите непроизносимые согласные. No, right, when, who, lamb, knock, where, well, what, listen, climb, wrong, why, white. Boys and girls, do exercise number 6. What a memory. Let's play. Проверьте свою память. Давайте поиграем. The answer. On holiday, I'm going to go swimming. On holiday, I'm going to go swimming and I'm going to eat ice cream. On holiday, I'm going to eat ice cream and I'm going to go sailing. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.